Hello, builders, leaders, and entrepreneurs who are focused. As you know, as a Bishonas Legacy, founder, leader, mentor, teammate, business partner, friend, family, all of that. Let me tell you one thing about me and one thing that I believe in. I am not a big fan of cross recruiting on other people's companies. I don't poach on other people's licensed agents. I don't like doing that. See, I am a builder. I could build an ordinary person into something extraordinary. Now, I understand some of you guys may say, well, Keon, isn't it easy to just recruit someone that's already licensed, know what they do? No. I will not approach them. They approach me because they see what I'm doing, what I'm capable of, and they like the leadership, the mentorship, and the coaching. They love the system. They love the opportunity, the compensation. I don't have to reach out to people. They reach out to me. Why? Because they see a leader. They see someone they can trust. They understand that we have standards. They understand that we have rules. They understand that we have a mindset. And most importantly, we have ethics. That's what we stand on. So one thing about me, I'm not looking for no licensed agents and people that's in other industries that's already licensed. I'm looking for ordinary people who want to do extraordinary things. Now, if you have sales backgrounds, if you have a license and you're looking for a company and a team and a mentor and a coach and a system that you would love to be a part of, we welcome you. But I would never approach you. Keep winning.